Looking for something fantastic and easy for dinner tonight? We have it. Here to make his Southwest Caesar salad with seared shrimp. It's simple and delicious. We welcome back the author of Trading Dishes. Ferneding is with me. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you too.
I love this because this is something that even though it's the afternoon, you can have it ready to go in just a couple hours.
Absolutely.
Not even
couple
that.
hours, no.
In 5 minutes we're going to show you. But you know what I mean? Like go to the store, get some quick ingredients and you're set.
Exactly, yep.
And a lot of these things are stuff you already probably have in the fridge or should.
Yeah.
When it comes to vegetables.
Or in your pantry, yeah. For
right,
sure.
you name it.
Yeah.
So take us through it.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing from scratch. So,
okay.
Yeah, so what I like to do is I use this avocado mayo.
Yeah.
So it's a reduced fat, it's not as heavy. And
I tell you, it used to be so simple buying mayo, and now you go and it's the olive oil mayo and the avocado mayo and the natural. So you like the avocado?
I do, yeah. Especially for this recipe.
Okay.
Because it kind of goes with the Southwest theme of it.
Don't tell me you have like 5 different mayos in your fridge, do you?
Of course.
Oh, yeah. Of course. Okay, but avocado today.
Yeah. Okay, so
Perfect.
so what we're going to do is we're going to add this in here.
Okay.
Here's this one for you.
Oh, that's perfect.
Alright. And then you're gonna add some chopped up garlic.
That is a lot of garlic.
Don't do all
Oh,
that.
okay.
Just a little bit.
No! Be careful!
And then I like to add a little Worcestershire sauce.
Oh,
This adds a
interesting.
little
Okay.
smokiness to it.
Is this like the staple Caesar dressing recipe, or is this kind of off the map?
Yeah,
okay.
no, this is my own version of it.
Nice.
And then to give it that Southwest taste, I add just like a smoky mesquite seasoning.
Oh, yum. Okay.
And there's a lot of different varieties of this seasoning, and you know you can already smell it, like how powerful it is.
Now I
So
know
that's-
Caesar dressing sometimes they call for the egg, right?
Right, yeah. So we avoid all that. by
Yes,
doing
that
this
raw.
way,
Well, I
yeah.
guess mayo kind of
Mayos,
covers
yeah.
that.
And then just squeeze a lime. Yeah.
So where did you find this recipe? I know you travel all around the world.
Yeah, so so I've been down in Arizona for the
Yeah.
past 6 months, and so this is actually part of my new menu that I've been doing, and it's just a great light meal, for you.
Gotcha. Ooh, that has good tang. I like that. Okay.
Okay, so that's done. So then we're just gonna season our shrimp.
Okay.
Okay, so this is really, just a little salt and pepper. And then I have avocado oil in here.
All about the avocado today.
That's right.
But we're not sticking it in the salad.
What's that?
I said no avocado in the salad.
No. So you spread those out.
Shrimp is a go-to in our house because it doesn't take any, defrosting barely, but underneath water. It's so easy to throw in and do, and you only have 5 minutes.
Yeah, and they cook very fast.
Yeah. Yep.
So this is romaine lettuce.
Okay.
I just actually picked it this morning.
Yeah.
From my mom's garden. I took some
Yeah.
from her. Yeah. And then this is roasted bell peppers that you can get in the jar.
Okay.
And you just chop them up.
Yep.
It's really easy. So you want to toss those
Toss
in there.
those in there. We can do that. Ooh, and even the roasted. Did you roast up this corn yourself?
Did, yeah. So it's really easy if you take a serrated knife and just go down the cornstalk. It'll come right off just like that. Very easy little trick.
I'm only laughing because that's how I like my corn when I was young.
Oh, did you?
It's like the chunks that you kind of get sometimes.
Yeah.
Like, good idea. I've never actually roasted them in there. We'll toss those in.
Yeah. So those you can cook about 3 to 4 minutes, and I just cook it in a little butter and olive oil and add a little more salt and pepper.
So tell me the means of the madness of combining the olive oil with the butter.
It's for flavoring.
It is. It's all flavor. Okay. There's no it makes it stick less.
No, like when you're using avocado oil, it's gonna have a higher smoke point.
Okay.
But that's really gonna be the main difference. Because otherwise it'll get really smoky fast.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna add in the dressing here.
Okay. How much do I need?
Yeah, you can do all that.
All of it?
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
Enough stuff.
Perfect. Okay.
Just kidding.
And then we're gonna add in some cilantro there.
Okay.
Beautiful. Yeah. And that's gonna give it a nice earthy flavor to it.
Yeah. Did you pick that too?
Yeah.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Playing with me,
No. So yeah, what you want to do is kind of just get all the leaves so they're nice and coated, but not like saturated.
So when you pick all this from the garden, what's your best way of keeping it fresh for longer?
So what I do is I take wet paper towels
Okay.
and put those in together, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag. But
So wet paper towel.
Right, yeah.
Huh, why wet? What does that
It keeps the moisture in the greens.
Okay.
And this also works for your fresh herbs. And, you put it in the plastic bag, and it'll last 2 weeks.
Oh, nice. Okay. Do you keep them ever on the stems, like if it's cilantro? Do you ever chop it and then put it in the paper towel, or do you keep it on the
keep
stem?
it whole until I'm ready to use it.
Okay.
Yeah. just reduces bruising and all that. Okay, and then we're gonna take, these are fried tortillas. So you just...
You pick those. Fried on tail, alright.
So yeah, just mix that in there. And then,
shrimp goes on. My favorite part. I am one of those people that like, I sometimes will even eat the tail, so there's no proof that I'm taking more shrimp than everybody else.
It's really smart.
And it's not.
You should try that.
Yeah, so you know you grew up in a big family, and when you're like rationing the shrimp and you gotta eat the tail to say, I didn't have that many.
Yeah.
Right?
That's awesome.
Alright, let's try this out.
Okay, yeah.
Sitting down the bowl. It's so pretty too. And let me tell you, I mean, during these hot days, it's good.
It's really hot. The shrimp might be.
Oh, I love it.
It's good.
That's so easy and great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See this book again, it's Trading Dishes. Then we'll have more information about it on our website and this recipe as well. KATU.com. Be sure to check it out. Wow, that is good. I'm taking another bite here. One more to go. And we are not done because there's more of Afternoon Live, of course, when we come back. So stay right here. I can't even talk. This is really good. You tell I didn't eat lunch?
Yeah.